Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Today we're looking at this 2006 Hyundai Tucson. We're going to be removing and replacing the cabin air filter. The process on this should be the same, if not very similar, to the 2000 to 2009 year Tucsons, all first-gen models. If you need a cabin air filter, make sure you look for a link in the description below to purchase one. To gain access to your cabin air filter, you first need to remove the tension cord. This cord gives you a little bit of assistance when closing your glove box. You have to turn it long ways to slide through the little access door it has. Next, you need to remove your glove box stops. To remove these, you need to push from the outside of the glove box inward while sliding the clip towards you. After doing so, you're just going to let these door stops dangle inside of the glove box. When you do other models, you usually remove these and set them off to the side while doing this process. But on this vehicle, it's easy enough to just let them sit in the glove box, so a lot easier to take care of. Let your glove box lay here. Don't let it fall down or it could break on the hinge right there. To remove the door for your cabin air filter, you're going to have to squeeze the top clips with your index finger and your thumb, pull them back, and the bottom clips slide right out. Pull out your cabin air filter. This one is really dirty and for sure would be affecting the efficiency of the airflow of the heater and air conditioning system, and also was installed upside down, but really doesn't matter. It obviously worked. So with your new air filter, cabin air filter that is, install it. Make sure it's installed the same way that you pulled it out. The hard sides are on which side the filter is. Make sure your airflow is in the right direction. Oh yeah, by the way, did you hear about that guy that got in a crash? He lost his left arm and leg. Yeah, you know, he's all right now. He's all right. That's great. I love it. All right, back to the cabin air filter. Install your cabin air filter. It should slide right in. If there's any problems or you feel any tension, or like this one, it crumples a little bit, pull it right back out. Make sure it's all in the right direction again. Reinstall it. It should slide in with no problems. This one gave me a little bit of a headache, and this is just for video's sake, but you want to make sure your cabin air filter is in the right direction. To install the cabin air filter door, the lower clips just slide into place while the upper clips clip and lock into place. Make sure your door is on tight before you move on. To get your door stop and tension cord on, I install the door stop first before I put the tension cord on. Just a little bit easier in my opinion. You're going to slide your door stop into the dash when your glove box is about halfway shut. Slide the door stop in while pushing the lower part of your tab in. Now you can install your tension cord. Long ways, pull it through, and turn it sideways. It'll hold it into place and get your other stop. If this helped you out, make sure you comment below with the year, make, and model that it helped you on. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next, hopefully helpful video.